Yeah, it's such a lovely day today. Lovely autumn day. We've got some sunshine today, a bit windy, but I'm glad because we've had lots of rain the past 2 weeks or so. So it's nice to see the sun coming out. So I thought let me do a short video on the packaging. Before that, uh, I just want to mention the before the shirt is made, I wash the textile to accommodate for any shrinkages or any shrinkage. The cotton normally shrinks anything between 5 and 10%, but usually not more than 5. And then I normally wash it in warm water and then tumble dry it on high heat to make sure that all the impurities are out and the cloth is properly to make sure that the cloth shrinks properly, because you don't want the client to wash the shirt or to tumble dry it, and then when he puts it on the second time, uh, the shirt shrank. So yeah, so normally I wash the textile beforehand and then I make the shirt, and then when the shirt is finished, it gets a second wash, uh, and obviously it's iron thing. And the reason for that is just to pick up any impurities. Sometimes there can be loose thread hanging or something that you've missed. Um, Sometimes at the buttonholes, especially if you make use of a domestic buttonhole machine, you can get trouble there if you're not making use of an industrial buttonhole machine. So it's just to check everything, and then it gets ironed, and then it's ready for packaging. Um, the package that I use are these boxes. I put some, I printed with flock, which is a velvet type of print. It's not the cheapest type of print, but it gives the box a nice 3D feel to it. And because these are old school safari shirts, in the old days, a lot of the packaging and the stuff that they made had this 3D feel to it. You could touch everything. All the printing was a 3D type printing. So I decided to use the flock for this. Like I said, it's not the cheapest. I think if you upscale the brand and you do thousands of it, you can really do it for much cheaper. But that's not the idea behind the brand. The idea is to create something special, and you can't just always do it just to get the maximum amount of profit. If that is your focus, then of course you will change a lot of things here on it, on the way that it's been done. But I wanted to do something that's a little bit more sustainable. This is something that's a little bit will last longer. The target market for these shirts are elderly people. They are not young people, although I will sell to them. But the target market is really for people who wants to invest in something nice, and that's not necessarily manufactured in a big factory. Something that will last a long time, and that they can hand down to their grandchildren or to other family members or to whoever they would like to give the shirt to. So I don't. Maybe in future we will upscale and do bigger production, but for now it's these are individual shirts, and also people who would like to see who are making the shirts. That also makes the shirt special. When you buy the shirt, you know who made the shirt, and each shirt gets a unique number that's assigned to the client, and I also put the number on the box as well as the date of delivery. So yeah, so this is the way that it's packaged. Inside there's some cotton cloth and just a small message. This is the way a lot of brands nowadays I see they package like this. Put it in a nice box or something like that. Some brands just use plastic sleeves. It almost depends on your preference. So yeah, that is it. The shirts aren't made just to go out in bulk and get sold. I want it to be something special, something that will hopefully last a long time, and something that will be handed down to future generations. And also, yeah, that's about it. And it makes it also the clothing a little bit sustainable, because it contributes to sustainable environments and so on. And you can buy beautiful shirts everywhere. Every day you can buy beautiful shirts that's manufactured in bulk, and that's a good thing. But the idea behind this is and when you finished wearing the shirt, maybe in a year or two, you buy a new one, or you throw it away and you give it to someone, you buy a new one. And that is not the idea behind these shirts. In the old days, especially, things were manufactured and they were handed down to future generations. And this is just something nice, something that you can always remember. You can wear it every day, or you can wear it on special occasions. The shirts are beautifully made, so yes. So yeah, so this is just something about the packaging. Some brands also wrap and put a sticker on it. You know, you can do it if you want to, but I think the way that it's here, it looks good. You can put a sticker on here as well. I see a lot of other people put stickers on here as well. But I think the way that it's packaged it's a lot old school type thing. Yeah, so I think this is nice. I hope the client will be happy with it. Yeah, so that is it. This week I'm going to manufacture other colors, the brown. Hopefully, if I have time, I've got lots of other printing work to do. So if I have time, I'll manufacture some brown ones. I think there's one more blue one that's left. And then we're going to do a lovely yellow tracksuit jacket again. So watch out for those videos if you are interested. Okay.